Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically add a task owner in ClickUp. This is incredibly useful if you want to ensure that every new task created in a specific space is automatically assigned to a particular team member, saving you time and eliminating the need to manually assign tasks every single time. First, head over to ClickUp.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace where you'll be setting up this automation. Once you're logged in, take a look at your panel on the left side of the screen. Click on Spaces, then navigate to the specific space where you want this automation to apply. After selecting your space, click on List to view the lists within that space. This is where your automation will work its magic, automatically assigning tasks as they're created. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the thunder icon. This icon represents the automations feature in ClickUp, and clicking it will open up all your automation options. This is the control center for creating custom workflows that save you repetitive work. Next, click on Create Automation. This will bring up a new window where you can define exactly what you want to happen automatically. You'll see two main sections here, Trigger and Action, which work together to create your automation rule. In the Trigger section, make sure it's set to tasks or subtasks. This tells ClickUp that you want the automation to respond to task-related events. Then, directly under that, make sure it's set to task or subtask created. This means the automation will fire every time a new task is added to your list. Now move over to the Action section. This is where you define what happens when the trigger occurs. Change the action to Change Assignee. This option allows you to automatically assign a specific user to any new task that gets created. After selecting Change Assignee, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select a user. Choose the team member you want to become the task owner automatically. This person will now be assigned to every new task created in this list without you having to lift a finger. Once you've selected the user, click Create to finalize your automation. ClickUp will save this rule and it'll be ready to start working immediately. Before you close the automation window, make sure your automation is active. You should see a toggle or indicator showing that it's turned on. Once you've confirmed it's active, you can close the automation panel. Now it's time to test it out. Try adding a new task to your list and watch as the assignee automatically changes to the user you selected. This confirms that your automation is working perfectly and will continue to assign tasks automatically moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.